Alright, good day viewers, welcome to Learn Everything for Free. In this video, I'll be showing us how to buy coin for the first time. If you're a first time user, then how to also add your bank payment details on Binance application. This method is actually applicable to every other exchange, okay, yes, exchange, like Bybit, like OKX, like the rest of them, okay. As long as the exchange has P2P futures, it's virtually the same thing, okay. All you have to do is go through this step, then you can apply these steps or the same experience, okay, for another exchange. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is you open your Binance. My Binance app is opened. Then I think I need to tell us something here, show something. On Binance application, we have what they call the light view and the pro view. So we have the Binance Lite and we have the Binance Pro. Now by default, if you're a newcomer, if you're using Binance for the first time, you tend to see your interface, user interface will look like this, what I have here. You'll be seeing the market, you'll be seeing the square, you'll be seeing the trade, which is swap. This has to do with trade, swap, buy, and the rest of them. The discover, information, news, and the rest. Then portfolio is your asset, okay, to show you a list of assets you have in your account or in your wallet. So this is also your wallet. So now let's try and switch to the Binance Pro. Now if I click on this Binance Pro, you see that the UI interface will change, that the user interface will now change. As you can see, I'm having an advanced interface here right now. Okay, I'm having the home, the market, the trade, the future, and the wallet. I think so. So these are features I'm seeing right now. So this trade is virtually the same thing with what you saw in the other account, but in a different form. They have to put it, make it. You have to see a swap, icon. Okay, so it has to be. It actually means or symbolizes trade. So that's that. So let's go back to home. Now the first thing we need to do here is to add our payment information, our payment details. But you can't add the payment details, you can't proceed to that point if you've not done your KYC. So if you're using Binance for the first time, you need to pass through the KYC process. The KYC has to do with, the KYC process involve you uploading any valid identity proof or card. It could be national ID card, it could be BVN, it could be NIN, it could be whichever information you choose or you feel comfortable to use. You just upload. Make sure you pass through the step. Okay, once you're done, then your account will be verified. Okay, your account will be verified just like mine and like every other person's account. So once you verified your account using the KYC process, the next step is for you to now add your bank details. The reason why you're adding your bank details, in the nearest future, you might want to sell an asset and get the money in fiat, in local currency, in conventional currency. Since you're the one selling, the buyer will need to transfer the money straight to your local bank account. So if you don't, if you don't enter your bank details or provide the bank information, then there's no way you can actually sell that asset, because where are they going to pay the monies to? Are you getting it? So you need to create your bank or enter your bank information, okay, so it will enable you to sell in the nearest future. So let's start with adding our account first, then we'll now proceed to how to buy. Okay, you buying for the first time. So what we do is what we need to do is go to our Binance logo here. Okay, this step is actually is applicable for both the Binance Lite and the Binance Pro interface. So I'm going to click on the top left corner of the screen where you see the Binance logo. Once you tap it, you see the setting icon at the top right corner this time around. I'm touching it right now. You tap it. Now in the settings, we have what they call payment method. You're going to tap the payment method right now. Now once I tap the payment method, it brings you to this place. I already added my payment method under these payment method settings. Okay, I'm supposed to go there so you learn, you see how it is, but I'm not going to go there because of my bank information. So I'm going to keep it disclosed. I'm going to keep it to myself. Once you click on this button, it will take you to a page, since you don't have any bank information, where you need to add payment method. Okay, you click on add payment method. You see different banks. Okay, if your bank is listed among the list of coins, if your bank is listed among the list of banks specified there, you pick. When you pick when you pick any of the banks, it take you to a page where you enter your bank name, the bank, your account number, and all those information. Just fill them and save them. That's what you need to do. Okay, the reason why you're filling those things, like I said, so that buyers can send money to that account. Okay, that's just how it works. Now I'm not going to go there because of my informations. Okay, then that's how it is. Well, if your bank is not stated there, you can create a bank. Okay, you can select any bank, create it, and erase the bank code, erase Fidelity, and make it, let's say if Kuda is not there, you can write in Kuda or OPay, whichever payment method you choose to. You can manually enter the information if you want to pick, the default or the ones laid down, okay, in the list. That's how the payment method works. Okay, you can add them manually, or you can pay from existing payment method and you just edit the information. So that's just how it works. Okay, that's how it works. Then we have the P2P mode. Okay, I'm using advertisement mode. Now let me explain this advertisement mode. When I get there, I will explain this mode. Okay, we have two different kind of mode. We have the order mode and we have the advertisement mode. Okay, okay, that's for this. After adding your payment information, then you need to buy this method. Like I said, you can actually view the settings whether you're using the Binance Lite or you're using the Binance Pro interface. Okay, you will still gain access to the settings and you still see your payment method informations. Okay, so that's that for this. So now let's assume I want to assume that you already created your Binance, you've entered your payment method. Now you've created an account. Now I want to buy our first coin. Now this time around, I'm not going to click on market, I'm not going to click on Square, I'm not going to click on discover, I'm not going to click on portfolio. I'm going to click on this middle button. Okay, once you tap this middle button, it shows you buy, sell, convert, and deposit. Okay, so I'm going to choose the buy crypto with Naira. I'm going to touch this place. Now, which crypto do I want to buy with Naira? I want to buy USDT. That's stable coin. I'm going to touch USDT now. Then enter the amount of USDT you want to buy. Now, it changes. What they call limit buy. This is the least you can buy, 6,505 Naira, which is around, 6,000 down to 3 million or so. Yes, that you can buy. That's the limit you can buy. So let's assume we're buying 7,000 Naira worth of USDT. Now 7,000 worth of USDT, estimated quantity I will get is 5.0 cents. So I'm getting $5.0. That's what I'm going to get back in cryptocurrency. So I'm using my 7,000 to get $5. Okay, then I'll click on buy. When you click on buy, you notice something. You see informations. Okay, you see bank informations, the account you're paying to. Okay, now you're paying to either bank. Okay, you select any bank payment method. Okay, if you want bank transfer, by default bank transfer will be ticked. We have OPay bank. Okay, and if you click on more, you see more banks and you see that their prices is different. So this is like different merchant. This merchant is selling 4.96 whatever. This one is 4.93, 4.97. So you discover that bank transfer quantity is higher than the OPay and the bank, the Kuda bank. So I'm going to click. If you want to pay using debit card, you can select using debit card. Okay, if you want to use cash balance, if you have cash balance in your Binance wallet, you can use it too. So I'm going to use bank transfer. Okay, then I'll click on confirm. Now remember that this ad is valid for 13 to 14 seconds. Okay, so I'm going to click on confirm. I've clicked on confirm. Look at what's going to happen now. In this section, I will need to make payments. Let me skip this part. Okay, for newbies, you definitely see all these things. I'm going to skip this part. Now you see that I'm going to pay to somebody's account. Whose account? To Sellify. This is the person I'm paying to. Now I've created an order and I have to pay the seller within this minute, 14 minutes. Always take note of this because this place is very, very vital. If you make payment and you don't acknowledge that you made payment and your time elapses, yes, the receiver on the other hand or the seller on the other hand would have gotten the money, and because you did not indicate or acknowledge the fact that you've paid, and this timer stops, there's no way you can get back your money. Okay, because the system will recognize it that okay, you've not paid, maybe you didn't make the payment. So when you make payment, always acknowledge. Okay, I'll show you how to do that. Okay, now I'm not supposed to click on this now, make payments. okay, because I'm not buying actually, okay, but just for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to click on make payments this time around. Now, but before clicking on make payments, the time is still going. I've created the order already. This buyer or the seller rather is expecting money, expecting me to pay. Okay, now there's a chat section here where you see this what I'm touching now. You tap the search section, you can actually communicate with the buyer. Okay, with the buyer, I say okay, are you seeing it now? I'll make a payment, for example, or okay, let me not give him hope. I'll be like, there's an error. Okay, there's an error, let me cancel and order again. Okay, there's an error. Okay, let me cancel and order again. I don't want to give him hope that I'm making payment now when I'm not making payment. So I'm going to close the chat. Okay, let's say I want to make payment now. The reason I'm clicking I want to make payment is for me to view the person's account details. Okay, now the person's account details is not showing here right now. It's not even showing. So when you click on make payment now, look at what's going to show. Now you're going to see the person's information: bank name Bello Mohammed Abubakar, account number, the bank, money point. So you're going to pay to this account number. So you can click on this button to copy any of the information. You can copy the amount, take it to any of your bank, e-bank application, and you paste. You copy the account number. Then in the reference, that is the reference message. Now you don't need to don't put anything related to crypto. You can put for goods, for services, and buying this and all that. That's how you put the reference, that is the remark. Okay, or better still, you can copy this reference message and paste this as a remark. That's all. Once you've done that, after making payment, this is the next step you need to click: transferred, notify seller. If you don't click this, like I said, and your time elapses, I have 11 minutes, and you pay and you make payment, the ad will be cancelled. This order will be cancelled, and you will lose your money because you can't get it back. So you need to negotiate or have a one-on-one interaction with the person that you sold to, okay, that you're buying for. I made payment, please can you send my money? Something happened, I forgot to click transferred, not to notify seller option. Then if the person is learned and making hard and is considerable, you can consider you and give the money. If the person refuses to give the money, there's nothing you can do. You can't do anything. So that means you need P2P to help you fight. P2P, if Binance only try to some point, there's no proof that you made payment because you did not click the button. So it is very, very important you click on this transfer notify. Now look at the chat box now. I went to the chat box now, and I dropped a message. Okay, so to tell the person I'm not making payment, I have an error message, so I'm going to cancel the order. So definitely I need to cancel the order, because if I don't cancel the order, it's not cool. I'm giving somebody the impression I'm going to pay. So I'm going to click on I'm going to cancel the order. Okay, I'll go back under the back section. I'll click cancel. Now once I click cancel, I have to give reason why I'm canceling the order. It's not cool when you're using all this Binance app. Please don't cancel orders anyhow. Please do not cancel orders anyhow. It is it's not good. Okay, don't cancel. If you do that 2-3 times, you'll be suspended. I know that. So I'm just going to say I'll have to give reason why I'm canceling this order. I have not paid the seller. I have received seller's refund. Okay, now for example, due to buyer, I do not want to trade anymore. I do not meet the requirements for this advert. Okay, now there is a technical network error with the payment platform. So, or other reason, I'm going to click on this. Okay, I see it now. Then I have not paid. I see it. Make sure you tick it. The cancellation. I've cancelled the order. Order cancelled. Okay, so I've showed you how to buy. This is how to buy. Okay, so I'm going back. Okay, so go to P2P now. I've gone to P2P ads. I just showed you how to buy using the first method. Now the second method now. This is the second method. Let's go back to the second method. No, we did direct buying. Okay, we did the direct buy. So the second method now have to do with you going to P2P ads. Okay, I'll click on this menu. Under the menu now, we have wallet, deposit, convert, refer, and the rest of them. Now we also have P2P. Now, but because we are on Binance Lite, you may not see P2P here directly. Okay, so to get the P2P option, you either go through portfolio. Under the portfolio, let's see. create a portfolio, P2P. Okay, trade. Sorry, under this trade. Okay, I'll say buy crypto. This one around. I'm going to click on buy. We have the P2P method. I click on this. I don't want to buy directly, so let me go to the P2P. I think most times I see that when you use the Binance Pro interface. The Binance Pro interface. The Binance Pro interface will show you the P2P. Okay, but this is pay. Under the pay option, let's go to the P2P section. So I have to switch. Let me switch my wallet to the Binance Pro so we can access the P2P. So this time around it has to do with order. Okay, you select from individual, you see buyers, you see sellers, so you pick prices of your choice. I'm going to explain how to use the P2P to buy and also to sell. So I'm going to go to the Binance logo this time around. Then in this section you see P2P. Okay, I'm seeing the P2P button now. I'm going to touch. This time around I'm not on Binance Lite, I'm on Binance Pro. Once you tap the P2P, look at what it's going to show you. It's going to show you or bring you to this page where you see the buy and sell tab. The buy and the sell tab. Now I'm buying. So I'm buying now. Look at what is look at this face, look at this interface. We have prices. This person now, this first buyer, okay, this first seller, because I'm done buying now. These are sellers, okay, these are list of sellers. Now this first seller is restricted because he has a pending transaction, he has a transaction going on. So we cannot buy from that person until he has finished his or her transaction. Now let's go to another transaction. This person now wants to sell. Let's go to no delay. Now this is the name of the person, the nickname of the seller. Now look at the trade this person has performed so far. This person has performed about 8,745 trades so far, and completion 97%. So it's a very good buy. You can buy from this person. Is verified. It's been traded. It's not a newbie. Okay, it's not going to scam you. It's not going to take your money away. Okay. Then now so far look at his percentage for 94%. Okay, and it delivers within 15 minutes. That means if you're paying now in less than 15 minutes, this person will always deliver. We have those that when you want to buy asset, they will delay your fund. You don't get your fund on time. You have to wait. Maybe some might even forget that they're even running transaction with you. So this person is cool, it's fast. So we have people that their completion, they're very fast in completing orders. So now this part now is where you see 1,403. That means the current price now on P2P you want to buy USDT now is 1,403.50 cents per $1. Per $1. Now crypto amount, you see this person has about 183.72 USDT to sell. He has 183.72 USDT to sell. So that means if you want to buy, like I said, if you want to buy from this person now, you cannot buy above 183 because that's what he has. That is his limit. That's the maximum USDT he has to sell. 183.72 cents. Okay, now and look at his limit now. He's selling within this price range from 100,000 naira down to 257,000 naira. So that means if you want to buy 5,000 naira worth, this person cannot sell. You cannot buy 5,000 naira worth of what they call it, of USDT from him. You know, I showed us the first method, the express method. If you don't come through the P2P, that one is express method. You can just buy directly. That express method, you can also get it here too if you don't want to go straight from here. Okay, now to get the express method, this is how to get it. Here we have the P2P option, right? If I touch this place, you see the express. I see it now. The express, that is where you don't see too many sellers on board. You just automatically, the system will just pick a seller, a merchant, and you just buy straight with a limit. If I click on the express, look at what's going to happen now. Now the least you can buy is 6,505 naira. Okay, just like what we did on Lite. So you can actually do those things here. Now you put 6,000 or let's say 7,000 naira, for example. Now you can buy 7,000 naira worth from here. Okay, then you click on buy. Payment method, match by payment method. You can select payment method. Okay, which is okay. Or okay, let's leave it like this. Then you just click on buy. Okay, to take us through the same process we saw the first time, but I'm not going there. I've cancelled an order, so I don't want to cancel another the second time. So let's go to the P2P section. P2P method. Now this is a P2P method now. I just showed us an ad. I think the ad is no longer here. So somebody says this is another ad. So you can pick this other ad. Now, but if you want to buy 5,000 naira worth of USDT this time around, that means you have to scroll. The more you keep scrolling, the more the prices increases. The prices will be high until you see 5,000 naira or 6,000 naira order. So you keep going down, you keep going down, you keep searching. Discover that the price is increasing from 1,405. It's going up. It's going up. Maybe before you get to 5,000 naira worth of USDT, you'll be seeing the price as maybe 1,410 for 1,420 and all that. Like here now, we have a $10,000 naira worth of order here, down to 695,000 naira. So your money is still not up to 10,000. You still need to go down. So you keep going down. You keep going down. Okay, now we've seen 5,000 now. This person has order between 5,000 to 205. He has 147 USD to sell. That's it. That is one. You keep scrolling down until you see. You might not see another 5,000 until you go there. It depends. So okay, we have 10,000 again. We have 500,000. We are next 5,000 naira. The market would have gone up. This 20,000 naira. I see the prices that the prices is changing. This 4,000 naira order now. You want to buy 4,000 naira worth of USDT, you're going to pay 1,416 per $1. That's how it works. Once you created the order, this section, we are on the home section. Here in the order section, you see your order, unpaid order, the ones you've not paid. It will show paid order and appeal pending. Now, if you're the one selling, you come to this unpaid and the person has not paid, you see it unpaid. If the person has paid, you see that the person has paid. So, and you get an information to release asset, okay, to release the asset to the buyer, okay, for the buyer. I think that's how it works. So let's go to the P2P section again. I'm touching the P2P section. This time around, I want to sell. You want to sell an asset. You click on sell button. To sell is very simple. A lot of people are finding it difficult to sell, and some are scared, so they don't end up selling to somebody that will claim they made payment and they've clicked on payments. Okay, they've acknowledged that they've paid, and you still did not see the money, and you're scared. You'll be like, I can't get my money. Okay, no problem. You can meet a third party to run it for you, but you can also do this yourself. Learn to do this. Don't be scared using P2P. It's cool if you understand it. If you don't make mistake, if the mistake is not from your own part, you are doing it accurately, you will not lose money. So this is the sell option. You want to sell. Okay, let's say you want to sell. You can come to this place and indicate. Now you want to sell. These are buyers already. These people are waiting for order. They want to buy. Now this person wants to buy from 10,000 upward. This person wants to buy from 15 million upward. Okay, 10 million upward and the rest of them. And what you have is 5,000 naira you want to sell, or 5,000. Let's say $5, $10 out of USDT. Your range is not here. You have to keep going down. And the more you go down this amount, since you're the one selling, the price will be reducing instead of going up. I seen it now from 403. You scroll down, you'll be seeing 402, 401 until you see buyers that matches what you want to sell, matches the amount you're selling. You keep scrolling down. You keep scrolling down 5,000. You see that the more you go down, buying is expensive, selling is cheaper. So you go down, you keep going down, you keep going down, you keep going down. You see, you might not even get the price on time. Now there's what they call filter. The filter works for both buyers, both buying and selling. So this is the filter button here. This section I'm touching now. Once you touch the filter button, it brings you to where you can easily enter the amount you want to sell without stress. And to sell 5,000 naira worth of it. Okay, then you click on continue. You click on confirm. Once I confirm, it will look for ads, sellers and buyers that want to buy within the range 5,000. I see I have 4,000 down to 22 million. You see the range, and that's the range I'm seeing. Look at the range I'm seeing from 4,000 and all that. You see, but look at the price now. It's around 1,388 instead of 1,400 or something. So the price, the quantity I'm selling is small. If you're selling higher quantity, you can actually sell at a good rate and make money and make profit out of it. So that's how buying and selling on crypto on Binance is. I hope this video is quite understandable. It's clear. If you're having any challenge, you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. You can chat me on WhatsApp. Okay, you can join our community. In fact, okay, I think that should be all for now. That's how to use the P2P to buy, to fund. So to fund your account, this is how to fund how to actually fund your account. Okay, if you want to buy from individual that you don't know, you can come to P2P and fund your Binance wallet. whatever you buy, any asset you buy, go straight to your wallet. Okay, and which of the wallet does it go to? We have different wallets in this portfolio. We have the overview. This is the overall of everything you have. You have the sports. Okay, this is the sports wallet. Are you seeing it now? If you buy any coin from P2P, you may not see the coin in your spot wallet. You see it under funding wallet. So you have to go to funding wallet to see it. Okay, if you're buying USDT, you see USDT, you see it on your funding wallet. Once the asset is there, you can now move it to either your spot. That is, if you want to trade with it. If you want to buy coins straight from Binance, you have to move the fund from funding to spot to start trading on Binance. Okay, but if you want to send it out from Binance or send it out from the exchange, it could be Bybit, it could be OKS, it could be Kucoin. You want to send what you bought, the USD bought, out of this exchange to either a DeFi app, a decentralized finance application, or a DEX. Okay. All right, like I was saying, the funding wallet, let's say you want to transfer outside this exchange or any exchange you're using, then you can do that from a funding wallet. All you have to do is you click on withdrawal this time around, not transfer. Withdrawal. You use the transfer button only if you're transferring between any of these wallets, between spot and futures and the rest of them. So if you're transferring to spot, you use the transfer. Okay, you select, from funding you can swap from funding to spot. That's if you want to start trading with it. Okay, inside this centralized exchange under Binance, you can transfer from your funding because you bought the coin and it's in your funding wallet. You transfer it to your spot wallet. The maximum, you enter the maximum you bought, confirm transfer to go straight to what? To your funding. But if you are sending it to another, you can just pick wallet where you want to send it to. See, inactive, you can only send to wallet, to my spot wallet. So I'm going to cancel this. Now, withdraw now means you are withdrawing outside this exchange. So I'm withdrawing the USDT I have now. So let's have USDT. You select the USDT, send via crypto network. Now you select send via crypto network and you enter the receiver's address here. Are you seeing it? And you're sending it outside Binance. Maybe you're sending to your Solana wallet, you're sending to, but mind you, this USDT, if you want to transfer to any exchange, maybe any decentralized DeFi, make sure it's the right coin you're sending. If what you want to send is Solana, you don't send USDT. If what you want to send is Manta, don't send. That means you have to take this fund to your spot wallet, swap it from spots. You swap it. Okay. In the next video, I'll show us how to swap, how to trade. Okay, how to trade. In the next video, you see how to trade USDT to get any coin you want. Okay. Once you do that, then you can transfer. Let's assume this is the asset we want to sell. This is Solana we want to transfer. So now we want to paste. We have to paste Solana based address here. That will go from any either from the person that either from your wallet or from the person that wants it or from your other, make sure you put the address here, and the address must be Solana based address. Then the network. Now this network section is very, very important. If what you're transferring, let's say I'm sending USDT now and I paste USDT address now, USDT is spread across different chain. We have USDT on Tron network TRC20, USDT on Binance network, USDT on, you see, we have USDT even on Solana and different chain. So if you put in any address, make sure you ask the person, the receiver, or you confirm the network you're sending to. Don't collect Solana based address and you now select TRC20 wallet address. You lose the money, you will not get it back. So make sure the address you're sending to tally with the address you want. Okay, USDT, is it on Solana or which chain? Let it tally, then you send. Okay, that's how it works. So hope you like this video. Please, if you like this video, share the video, leave comments, and see you next time. Okay.